And we can take a look on the project for the festival in here, and we can double click this file so we can open up the project in Premiere Pro and take a look how I put together the different material in the timeline in Premiere Pro and export them in here. In here, that's the timeline. The timeline in here just like the table that you play the puzzle. The puzzle is the parts that different material in here, so you can put together into the timeline that you play it on your table for your puzzle in here. And you use different the tools in here and the panel, different panel tools, and how you put together all into the timeline here. And everything you do for the timeline here. And the material that I have, that's the first camera in here and the second camera in here, and also the clip in here. This the video, the black video clip. That's just a photo that I right click and create it from here, just from the project panel in here. And also I have some photo, a photo that I make it in here for the menu for the DVD. Yeah, a photo from there. So in Premiere Pro, this the project panel, I import all the material into here and create a sequence. This the sequence in here. This the sequence like this. The sequence just like the puzzle, and the sequence you put on, open it on the timeline here, put on your table, and you can put the puzzle, different parts together on your puzzle, and on the table, the timeline here, the sequence, and you put it the material in here differently. For example, we can take a look in here. At the beginning, this the beginning in here, I put the title, and on the background, this the clip inside here, the beginning of the show. The title in here that I created from here, use the title in here, just click on here and typing the text in here, this Chinese and this French, and the location for the show and organization in here, and fading out, and the girl and speaking for the beginning for the show, and then and for the people who speaking, yeah, like this. And from here the show begin, and the show begin, I put a black video. This is the black video in here that I make it right click from here, a black photo that can be, yeah, and fade in, fade out in here, so you can see this all in black and coming in for the show in here. And from here, this is the title. This is the title that I use it, just this, and typing in the screen in here and fade out, so the show is going on. And on the track in here, this is the whole stage, the camera 1, yeah, that's the camera 1, that's the AAA, this is the clip in here, and I line up, synchronize both camera, yeah, the clip in here, so we can see. And this is the close-up, and when going to here, and they will show the whole stage in the timeline in the program panel in here, like this, the whole stage, and going in close up like this. So we can take a look in here, so we can maximize in here, so you can be the whole stage and a close up. So I select between the clip in here to make the movie in here, and here like this. Yeah, like this, so we can continue for the show, and like this going on. And in here I made the same black video and fade in, fade out to make it close it and stop.
Bonsoir mesdames et messieurs. Good evening ladies and gentlemen.
Like this, so continue in here, and for the next show, yeah, a black video, fade in, fade out. and the title in here. And the close-up. And then the whole stage in here, so you can see that. Like this. So select in between the clip the camera for the track, so to make the video like this, and continue to the show in here. Yeah, like this. And for the next show, and for each show that I put a black video and fade in, fade out like this. And this the audio transition like this. And for the show in here, the dancing, the singing, and up to here, this the credit. This the credits. They show you all the performance, the organization, then all the people who making the show in here is rolling up like this. Yeah. Then finishing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, like this. And the clip, the sequence in here, this when I finish then, so I can export them as a movie file. The export movie in here, I export it as the Full HD, 4K and 2.7K, the size in here. Yeah. And also I do for the DVD menu, the DVD menu that I make it in here, use the clip like this. Photo, this the photo, that's the background for the photo that I make it from the booklet that they give it to me. And I put the video on here one by one. On a DVD, in here, I can click to jump to the show on here. So I line up in here. So this for the DVD for the menu in here. And this the way I do that. In here, all we did it in the sequence in here, so we can make up the video and use the tools in here, the panel different, like the effect control panel to take care of the video. And in here, we select in between the clip in here. First, I line up the two camera, the two clip and two track in here. And also, after I do the limited color correction for the clip in here for the show like this. Color correction, make some adjustment is some kind, and special effect not too much for this show because no need for that. So the key on here, this the how you can take a good video for them, a good exposure, good focus, and also the action follow for the dancing. That's the key how we make a good video for this. Yeah, this is the way we use it.